bringing it.
Hello and welcome back everyone. In today's video we are going to talk about an amazing text effect using Photoshop. So simply select your layer, just press Ctrl or Command plus J to duplicate it. Now hide the layer. Simply select any selection tool and click select and mask. Now click this select subject option. You have a selection of your object. Select the object selection tool and select this football. To refine the selection, just click refine here and simply choose the output to new layer with layer mask and click OK. After that, take your type tool, vertical type tool, and simply write any text. I am using goal. Just hold the shift key and alt key to make a large. When you are done, on the text layer, just click this FX icon and select stroke. Make sure the color is white and the size pixels is 20 and click OK. After that, just on the layer, left click from your mouse and select convert to smart object. After that, select the mask icon. Now take your brush tool and erase that area you want to hide. Simply erase it. Yeah, I am done. Then after, select the layer, first layer, and drag it to the top. After that, on the main layer, hold the alt key. You see a arrow key in between the text layer and main layer. Just click from your mouse. It converted into clipping mask. Now take a new blank layer. Just drag it to the bottom. Select your gradient tool. Select the color you want. Just drag it like this. What fits you? Now guys, here is our beautiful picture. Thank you for watching and subscribe the channel. Thank you.